Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is our first video in a series of videos related to the art of division. And our technique today is counting by the denominator. We're going to count by the denominator because it's going to help us take away the confusion when it comes to dividing with large numbers, just like we have right here, in which we have 576 divided by 8. And it also looks like this, 576 inside the box divided by 8, and let us perform our operation. But before we perform our operation, let us multiply the denominator by numbers 1 through 9. And that's all we need to do. And so let's do that. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 times 9 is 72. And we're just going to park these answers right here, these products right here, right along the right side so that we can use them in our division problem. And with that in mind, we know that 8 cannot go into 5, but it can go into 57. How many times? Well, if we look in our parking lot right over here, we know that 56 is one of our answers, and that's in the 7th position. So we know that 8 times 7 will give us 56. Well, why not 8 times 8? Well, 8 times 8, because 64 is in the 8th position. That's an overboard. That's higher than 57, so we have to fall back to 56 because 56 fits inside of 57. And now let us do our subtraction, in which we have 57 minus 56, which will give us 1. We know that an 8 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 16 right here when we bring down the 6. How do we know? Because 16 is in the 2nd position in our parking lot. And so we know that 8 times 2, because it's in the 2nd position, will give us 16. And we know that 16 minus 16 will give us 0. And so what happens is we have our answer of 72. 72 is our answer when 576 is divided by 8. You have been given a handful of information, so it'll be a good time to pause and take a look at counting by the denominator, or replay this video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to count by the denominator when dividing large numbers. But not to worry, there are more videos on the way. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.